Hello everyone, I am Professor Praveen Sarvale, College of Agriculture and Allied Sciences, Shardanagar, Baramati. Today we are going to discuss regarding the organic farming. Already in last some video we discussed regarding the organic farming. Now the remaining parts in that a restriction to the nutrient use in organic farming. That means which nutrients are not useful and prohibited in organic farming. We will discuss in this video. In that, the nutrient management system, how to management, in which first one is a sufficient quantity of biodegradable material of microbial, plant and animal origin produced on organic farm shall form the basis of the nutrient management program to increase or at least maintain its fertility, the biological activity within it. The second things of nutrient management in that the fertilizer management should minimize the nutrient losses. Then accumulation of heavy metals and other pollutants shall be prevented. It is a necessary to avoid the or to maintain the microbial activity in a soil and soil environment so that to restrict the pollutant. Next, the non-synthetic mineral fertilizer and brought in a biofertilizer shall be regarded as a supplementary and not as a replacement for a nutrient recycling. Desired pH level shall be maintained in the soil by producer. Then the certification program shall set limitation to the total amount of biodegradable material of microbial plant or animal origin brought onto the farm unit, taking into account local conditions and the specific nature of the crop. And the next part of nutrient management in that the certification program shall set the procedure will prevent the animal runs from becoming over manuring where there is a risk of pollution. Then the mineral fertilizer shall only be used in a supplementary role to carbon based material. Only those organic or mineral fertilizer that are brought into the farm shall be used when the circumstance demands. Then the permission for use shall only be the given when other fertility management practices have been optimized. Manure containing human excreta shall not be permitted to prevent the transmission of pest, parasite and infection agent. That means the night soil are not useful. Human excreta, that means night soil. It is one of the organic manure but not used as an organic manure for the organic farming. Then the mineral fertilizer shall be applied in their nature composition and shall not be rendered more soluble by the chemical treatment. The certification program may grant exception. These exceptions shall not include the mineral fertilizers containing nitrogen. And these are the different inputs which some are the permitted and some are the restricted for the organic farming in that FIM, poultry manure and slurry cow urine. These are the permitted for the organic farming. Crops residues and green manure are permitted for organic farming. Straw and other mulches are also permitted. But the blood meal, meat meal, bone meal, feather meal without preservations are totally restricted in organic farming. Also compost made from any carbon based residues are restricted because it contains the heavy metal and which are not useful for organic farming. Also restricted, that means the bird excreta, then human excrement prohibited. Then byproducts from the food and textile industries also restricted as a organic matter for the organic farming. Choice of crop and varieties for organic farming. This is another one points in organic farming in that Appropriate, the organic farm shall be required to maintain the sufficient diversity in a manner that all the seeds and plant material shall be certified organic. Species and variety cultivated shall be adapted to the soil and the climatic conditions and be resistant to pests and diseases. In the choice of varieties, genetic diversity shall be taken into the consideration. Then, when organic seed and plant materials are available, they shall be used. When certified organic seeds and plant materials are not available, the chemical, untreated, conventional seed and a plant material shall be used. The use of genetically engineering seeds, transgenic plants, or a plant material is prohibited. Where it takes into the account the pressure from insect, weed disease, and other pests while maintaining or increasing the soil organic matter, fertility, microbial activity, and the general soil health. Soil fertility shall be maintained through the, among the other things, the cultivation of a legume or a deep-rooted plants and the use of green manuring along with the establishment of a program of a crop several times a year and a fertilization with organic inputs. And the last one, the use of perennial trees and bushes. These trees and bushes will not only ensure the nutrient from the air and deep soil layer to surface layer, but also attract the birds and predators, friendly insect, and also provide the food and shelter. Okay, these are the choice of crops and variety for the organic farmings are necessary. Okay, if you have problem regarding some difficulties, then contact me. Okay, thank you so much, student. We will discuss next part in a next video.